Hello, good morning kids. Today we will do the practice of number that comes before, after and between. We will know it up to 40 number means 1 to 14. We will do the practice for that. So once again we will know it. Before that, I had already told to you when we make the blanks before the number के पहले अगर blanks बना रहे हैं, that means you have to write the number that comes before. If we make the blanks after the number, then you have to write the number that comes after. If we make the blanks in between, then you have to write the number that comes in between. So here we have to write the number that comes before means pehle, and here after, and here between. So we will know it today. Here I am writing some numbers and you recite what number will come before. So here I make the blank before the number. You can see here. So we have to write the number that comes just before 36. Here 12, 9, 25 and 18. So student, you can see, and here I am making the blank after number. Here we have to write the number that comes just after 34 and 13, 11, 39 and 19. Here I will make the blank between the numbers. So here 14 blank 16, 24 blank 26, 31 blank 33 and 9 blank 11. So here you can see student. So here we can see I made all the blanks before the numbers. So this time we have to remember and we have to write the number that come just before these numbers. वो नंबर लिखने हैं जो इन numbers के just before एकदम पहले आते हैं. So for that we have to counting backward. इसके लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? Backward counting. We have to read it. So 36 के just before we have to imagine in mind it is 35. When we read backward, it is 35. So the number 35 just comes before 36. 36 के just पहले the number will come here 35. Here the number that comes just before 12. So it is 11. It is maybe little bit difficult to you, but when you do the practice of forward and backward counting so many times, so you can do this easily, but it will be little bit difficult to recall the numbers which come just before the 12. Here the number which comes just before the 9, so it is 8. Sometimes what they do, children, what they do, they write here 10. Means they count forward. So this time we have to remember if we make the blank before the number, so that time we have to read the counting one time backward. एक बार back counting read करना है, so number will be 8. Means 8 comes just before 9. Here before 25 it is 24 and before 18 it is 17. So we can see here the number just comes before 25, it is 24. The number just comes before 18, it is 17. Here I make the blanks after the number. So this time we have to write the number that comes just after. एकदम बाद में 34 भी आता है. So this time we have to read the counting forward. इस समय हमें आगे की तरफ counting read करना है. So 34, 35. It will be easy. इसके साथ ये इजी हो सकता है. It is little bit tough to you, but it will be easy to read the counting forward. And 30, after that just comes after 30, it is 14, 11. Which number comes after? We read the counting forward. 11, 12, and here 39, 40, 41. So this time number is 40, and here 90, and number is 20. 19, 20. So we can read the counting 34, 35, 30, 40, 11, 12, 39, 40, 19, 20. So like that we can write the number which comes just after inside the box. Here you can see I make the boxes in between the numbers. So we have to write the number that comes in between. Here we have to read the counting forward. This time हमें forward ही counting read करना है. Means 14, 15, 16. Up to where? It is 16. So 14, 15. What number is inside between? 15. So what number will come inside the box? It is 15. Means 14, 15, 16. Then 24 and 26. So we start the counting from 24. 24, 25, 26. So what number we recite? I recite in between 25. We can read all these three numbers once. 24, 25, 26. We didn't skip any number between this counting. So continuously we are reading the counting. So 24, 25 and 26. Here 31, 32 and 33. We can read the counting to know the number. It's not in between after. And to know the number that comes just before, we have to read the backward counting one time. हमें इस टाइम क्या करना है? Backward counting read करना है only one time. Here 9, 10, 11, 9, 11 के बीच में. So we will recite the counting forward. 9, 10, 11. So number is 11. Like that, children. You can do the practice if you know the counting properly and recite it so many times. So you can do it easily. Then you have to complete the page number 45 in your maths book. You can see here. This one you have to complete in your maths book. You have to do more and more practice in your book so that you can know the number easily which comes before, after and between. So I am writing your homework. Complete page number 45 in your last one. There you have to complete it in your maths book. So student, you have to do more practice of reciting, counting backward and forward up to 100 so that you can do these exercise easily. So I hope you will understand it. How can you do that? So goodbye student. We will meet again in new class.